Welcome back to the Pharma Greeks. In today's video, we are diving into the fascinating world of the pharmaceutical industry. If you've ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes in developing, manufacturing, and distributing drugs, you've come to the right place. So let's get started. The pharmaceutical industry, also known as the pharma industry, plays a critical role in the development, production, and distribution of drugs and medications. It encompasses a wide range of activities, from conducting research and clinical trials to manufacturing and marketing medications to consumers. Let's explore how this complex industry works. 1. What is the pharmaceutical industry? The pharmaceutical industry refers to the collection of companies, organizations, research institutions, and regulatory bodies involved in the discovery, development, production, and sale of drugs and medicinal products. It is an essential sector that contributes to the well-being and health of individuals worldwide. 2. Drug development. One of the primary functions of the pharmaceutical industry is the development of new drugs. This process typically begins with extensive research and discovery of potential drug candidates. Scientists and researchers work tirelessly to identify molecules that possess therapeutic properties and have the potential to treat various diseases or medical conditions. Once a promising drug candidate is identified, it undergoes preclinical testing. This involves laboratory experiments, animal studies, and safety assessments to determine its effectiveness and potential side effects. If the results are promising, the drug proceeds to clinical trials, where its safety and efficacy are evaluated on human subjects. 3. Pharmaceutical manufacturing. After a drug successfully passes the various stages of clinical trials and receives regulatory approvals, it moves into the manufacturing phase. 3. Pharmaceutical manufacturing. After a drug successfully passes the various stages of clinical trials and receives regulatory approvals, it moves into the manufacturing phase. Pharmaceutical companies establish specialized manufacturing facilities equipped with state-of-the-art technology and adhere to stringent quality control measures to ensure the production of safe and effective medications. Manufacturing pharmaceuticals involves precise formulation, combining active ingredients with other substances and using advanced techniques to create different dosage forms, such as tablets, capsules, liquids, or injectables. Quality control tests are conducted throughout the manufacturing process to guarantee the medication meets the required standards. That means GMP and CGMP. 4. Pharmaceutical distribution. Once the medications are manufactured and packaged, the next step is distribution. Pharmaceutical companies collaborate with distribution networks, including wholesalers, pharmacies, hospitals, and clinics, to ensure medications reach the end users promptly and efficiently. These distribution channels play a crucial role in the pharmaceutical supply chain, ensuring the availability of medications to healthcare providers and patients. Strict regulations and quality control measures are in place to safeguard the integrity and safety of pharmaceutical products during transportation and storage. As Louis Pasteur said, "Science knows no country because knowledge belongs to the world, and is a torch which illuminates the world." The journey doesn't end here. The pharmaceutical industry is constantly evolving, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Stay tuned for more, as we delve deeper into groundbreaking technologies, interview strict tips. Also, comment what you want next. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe to your channel, The Pharma Greeks. For more in-depth discussions on the pharmaceutical, keep learning and loving us